Hello, how to solve negative 9 to the power of n equals 9? Solving for all values of n that satisfy this equation. So we simply express negative 9 as negative 1 times 9 raised to the power of n equals 9. So what we can do will be to consider this. You have square root of negative 1. This equals I. So you decide to take the squares of both part of this. This cancel this, so you have negative 1 equals I power 2. That means this negative 1 here equals I power 2. We have I power 2 times 9 raised to the power of n equals 9. Then we can apply natural log. I have natural log of I power 2 times 9 raised to the power of n equals natural log of 9. Now, if you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log a. So we have n times natural log of I power 2 times 9, and this equals natural log 9. Now, what we can do will be to consider this other identity. We have natural log a times b. This equals natural log a plus natural log b. So this is my a, this is my b. I'm going to have n times natural log I power 2, that is my a, plus natural log 9, that is my d, and this equals natural log 9. So from here, I can apply this other identity. Natural log a power p equals p times natural log a. So I'm going to have n times 2 times natural log I plus, here's natural log 9. I can have it as natural log 3 power 2. 3 power 2 is 9 equals, this is natural log of 3 power 2. I apply this identity again. I have n times, this is 2 times natural log I, well, this is 2 times natural log 3 equals 2 times natural log 3. I can isolate n. I divide this by 2 times natural log I plus 2 times natural log 3. I divide this by 2 times natural log I plus 2 times natural log 3. This cancel this. So from here, f n equals 2 times natural log 3 divided by 2 times natural log I plus 2 times natural log 3. Now, this is the value of our n. We can also go ahead and solve when n or when I equals e power I times pi. Remember, e power I times pi plus 1 equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals negative 1. So let's do that. We have negative 9 power n equals 9. We express this as negative 1 times 9 power n equals 9. And negative 1 is e power I times pi. F e power I times pi times 9 raised to the power of n equals 9. If you have this identity, a times b power c equals a power c times b power c. That means we are going to have e power I times pi raised to the power of n times 9 power n equals 9. And also, if you have a power c raised to the power of d, this equals a power cd. So we multiply this out. We have e power I times pi n times 9 power n equals 9. I can make use of natural log. Then times this equals natural log of 9. And don't forget that natural log of a times b equals natural log a plus natural log b. This is my a, this is my b. So we simply have natural log e power I times pi n plus natural log of 9 power n equals natural log of 9. So from here, I consider this other identity. If you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log of a. This will come behind the natural log. I have I times pi n times natural log of e plus n times natural log of 9 equals natural log of 9. And don't forget to know that natural log of e can likely cancel out. So I have I times pi n plus n times natural log of 9 equals natural log of 9. So from here, up I times pi n plus n times natural log of 9 is the same thing as 3 power 2 equals natural log of this is 3 power 2 as well. I then apply the same identity again. Natural log of a power p equals p times natural log of a. So that will give me I times pi n plus these 2 will come behind it. That is 2n natural log of 3 plus 2 times natural log of 3. I can factor out the common term here, which is n. N divides this. I have I times pi plus this is 2 times natural log of 3. And also divide this, and this equals 2 times natural log of 3. I need to isolate n by dividing this by I times pi plus 2 times natural log of 3. And divide this by I times pi plus 2 times natural log of 3. This cancels this. I also have n equals 2 times natural log of 3 divided by I times pi plus 2 times natural log of 3. This also is correct, just like the first one that we had here. Here is I times pi, so it's obvious we have I times pi. That simply means 2 times natural log of pi. So we have made use of when I equals or when negative 1 equals I power 2, and also we have made use of when negative 1 equals e power I times pi. So guys, any of these ways is what you can use to solve this exponential problem. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.